Hello traders, and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Dragon Pips EA for MT4, and I'm just going to be walking through the MQL5 Marketplace page, discuss the features highlighted by the developer, review the historical backtesting results, and then share my overall thoughts. Starting here on the Marketplace page, we can see that Dragon Pips EA is developed by Hima Youssef. The EA is currently listed at 120 US dollars, supports MT4, and the version shown on the page is version 1.0 with 5 activations available. Now, looking through the product description, the developer presents Dragon Pips as a smart expert advisor that uses what is described as an intelligent trading strategy. Now, the marketplace page emphasizes that users should follow the recommended settings or seek guidance before using the EA. One point that stands out immediately is the developer's statement that Dragon Pips does not use a martingale strategy. All right. So according to the description, the lot size does not increase from one order to the next. In fact, the developer notes that the system may sometimes reduce the size of subsequent trades with the objective of maximizing profits while minimizing drawdown. As I continue through the page, the developer repeatedly highlights the EA's focus on balancing profitability and drawdown control. While the exact trade logic is not disclosed, the marketplace information suggests that risk management and position sizing are important components of the overall design. The page also provides several recommendations for users. The suggested starting lot size is 0.01 lot, depending on account balance, or alternatively, users can enable the auto lot feature, you know, if they prefer automated position sizing. The recommended account balance is listed as 300 US dollars. For trading instruments, the developer recommends Euro USD and USD CHF. The marketplace page also states that the EA can be used on any time frame, which gives users flexibility when testing different chart settings. Before moving into the backtesting section, it is worth noting that the developer recommends using trusted brokers, although no specific broker requirements are provided beyond that recommendation. Now, let us transition into the historical backtesting results. As always, historical backtests should be viewed as historical analysis rather than an indication of future performance. They can provide useful insight into how an EA behaved during previous market conditions, but they do not guarantee similar outcomes going forward. Looking through the completed historical testing data and chart activity, it is important to focus on how the EA managed risk and position sizing over time. Since the developer specifically mentions that lot sizes do not increase and may occasionally be reduced, that becomes one of the key areas worth observing during historical analysis. From what we have displayed here, the equity and growth curve seems to be pretty smooth. All right. And, it was a steady growth over time. But let's also head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the Dragon Pips EA behaved on Euro USD on the H1 time frame over the past 3 months. All right, so here I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was 1,115.54. Total trades taken were 45, out of which 36 were profitable, giving us an 80% win rate. and then the largest profit was 264.37. The largest loss was 152.06. Average profit 47.27. Average loss 65.13. All right. And then this shows that the average risk to reward ratio is pretty bad. All right. It's quite bad, right? But the win rate is good. Perhaps that contributed to the net profit of about 11%. So now let's quickly look at the EA in action, just turning on the visuals right away. Meanwhile, I would recommend running, longer term testing yourself so that you can gain a broader understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments. Testing over extended periods can often reveal strengths and weaknesses that may not appear in shorter test samples, right? So when reviewing the historical chart activity, pay attention to trade frequency, drawdown behavior, and overall consistency. These factors often provide a clearer picture of historical performance than profit figures alone. Now, as for the historical backtest results, remember that historical testing performance can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization performed by the user. So, overall, the Dragon Pips EA is presented as an MT4 expert advisor that is focused on controlled position sizing, non-martingale trade management, and drawdown awareness. All right, we can see how the EA, it's making use of the grid technique, and at some point the lot size was even increased. So it's not even using the steady lot size across all the added positions. Okay, so it is actually layering trades as price goes against the initial position. It seems to be adding to it, and in this case we can see that it still kind of follows momentum. If the momentum continues in that direction, executes trades in that same direction. But in this case here, we had a sell, and then you can see the grid technique, right? Added a sell, and if the price keeps on going up, to likely add another sell, right? Unless if it just comes down, and then there's going to be a basket close. Okay, so like I said, the Dragon Pips EA is presented as an MT4 EA that is focused on controlled position sizing, non-martingale trade management, according to what we saw on the marketplace page, right? And then drawdown awareness as well. The developer recommends Euro USD and USD CHF while allowing flexibility across time frames. As always, I encourage traders to perform their own testing and optimization before considering live deployment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next review.